In today's scrap wood challenge, I wanted to show just how easy it is to machine something manually just by using either the keyboard on the CNC machine or something like a wireless jog pendant. Here we have a piece of wood that was literally taken out of the garbage. Someone threw it away because it wasn't in very good shape and had a giant crack on it. We're holding it down with low profile clamps that grip from the side, and therefore we can surface this without worrying about hitting the clamps. This is all being done manually, just controlling the machine backwards and forwards. And for the purposes of the video, I'm just holding dust collection manually so you can actually watch what is going on. Once the one side is flat, we flip it, reclamp it, and surface the other side flat. Do not over tighten the clamps, and use something like a rubber mallet just to knock the piece of wood down and ensure that it's lying flat to the machine bed. For this operation, we're using a 50mm wide carbide surfacing bit, and it makes short work of this, as you can see. The wood is now flat top and bottom. We can check this with a caliper. The next thing we want to do is stabilize that crack by pouring in a little bit of epoxy. I use some Tapia to stop it from seeping through. The holes in our spoilboard have got threaded inserts in them, and they can be used for dowel pin alignment. And that way you can put in a bumper and push the wood up against it to make the sides square. And that's exactly what I did. This is a very useful thing to have, especially for manual milling where we want to get everything square to the machine. The entire project from start to finish, including applying this wax paste, took about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And we went from something that was being thrown away to a beautiful object that you could sell or use in your home. And it's always a good feeling to recycle stuff that would normally be thrown away. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and here are a couple of photos of the finished product and possible use for it inside your home.